Hi children, welcome to Space of Science. Children, in our previous video already we discussed about universal indicators and pH scale. On the basis of that information, now I am going to ask some more questions. Children, try to answer these questions. First question, if acid was added to a solution of pH 4, the pH would increase or decrease? When we add acid to a solution of pH 4, it increases the concentration of H3O plus ions. If the concentration of H3O plus ions increases, the pH of the solution decreases. So, answer is decrease. And next, second question is, if acid was removed from a solution of pH 3, the pH would increase or decrease? Yes, the correct answer is increase, because when we remove the acid from the solution of pH 3, the concentration of H3O plus ions also decreases. So, the pH value increases. And next, third question. If base were added to a solution of pH 9, the pH would increase or decrease? Yes, the pH value increases. Why? Because when we add base to a solution of pH 9, it increases the OH minus ions. So, when the OH minus ions increases, then the pH value also increases. Children, last question is, if base were removed from a solution of pH 12, the pH would increase or decrease? Okay, the pH value decreases, because here when we remove the base, the OH minus ions concentration also decreases. When the OH minus ions concentration decreases, the pH value of the solution also decreases. Okay children, I think you are perfect in the concept of pH. Now let us move on to one more important concept, that is importance of pH in everyday life. Children, can you tell, are animals and plants pH sensitive? Yes, animals and plants are sensitive towards pH. Living organisms works within the narrow range of pH. Our body also works within the narrow range of pH of 7.0 to 7.8. If the pH value either increases or decreases, living organisms find it difficult to survive. For example, the pH value of rainwater less than 5.6, then we call it as acid rain. We call that it as acid rain. When acid rain flows into rivers, it decreases the pH value of the river water. So, the survival of aquatic life in such rivers becomes difficult. And next, children, can you guess, is pH change cause of tooth decay? Yes, pH change is the cause of tooth decay. The normal pH value of our mouth is 6. This is because of saliva produced by glands present in our mouth. This means that the medium of the mouth slightly acidic medium. Children, tooth enamel is made of calcium phosphate. This is insoluble in water but start corroding because of acid. Sometimes food particles get trapped between teeth gap. After some time, bacteria present in mouth start decaying upon carbohydrate, which is a type of sugar present in food items, and produced acid. This acid decreases the pH value of our mouth from 6. As a result, the enamel of the tooth starts decaying. After degradation of enamel, our teeth becomes sensitive and bad breath come out of our mouth. If decaying of tooth is not stopped timely, it is resulting in tooth loss. The action of bacteria can be prevented by brushing of our teeth using toothpaste. Toothpaste is basic in nature and it neutralizes the more acid which is produced in our mouth because of bacteria. Our third example is pH of digestive system. Children, the walls of our stomach produces hydrochloric acid which kills the germs in the food and if any. And the hydrochloric acid is also helpful in the digestion of food we eat. This digestion takes place in the stomach in acidic medium. The pH value of our stomach is 1.2. But in case of overeating, the receptors of walls of stomach get wrong message and start producing more acid, and it decreases the pH of our stomach, resulting the condition of hyperacidity. This creates many problems and we feel burning sensation and uneasiness and also vomiting sensation. To neutralize excess acid produced by stomach, an antacid, a medicine is taken orally. This neutralizes the extra acid produced in our stomach and we feel comfortable. Milk of magnesia is taken as medicine which is a mild base. Children, next move on to one more importance of pH, that is pH of soil for healthy growth of plants. Children, plants grow properly and gives proper yield if the soil is neither acidic nor basic, that is neutral. This means the pH of the soil is equal to 7 for healthy growth of plants. Often wrong harvesting and use of excess fertilizers increases or decreases the pH of the soil from the normal. This affects the growth of the plants. But how to find out the nature of the soil? Okay, I will explain this with an activity. Take 2 ml of soil in a test tube and add 5 ml of water to it. Now filter the contents and collect the filtrate separately in a test tube. Now take a pH paper and dip the pH paper into the filtrate and observe the color. So on the basis of that color, it is very easy to identify whether the soil, the nature of the soil is either acidic, basic or neutral. If pH value of soil is found lower than 7, that is soil becomes acidic. Soil is treated with calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide. After treatment, excess acid present in soil neutralizes and soil becomes fertile again. Similarly, often pH value of soil becomes greater than 7, that is becomes basic. In such condition also, soil is treated with compost, pyrite or gypsum which neutralizes the basic nature of soil. Children, last one is self-defense by plants and animals through chemical warfare. All living organisms got self-defense tools as a gift from nature. For example, deer, buffalo, cows, etc. has long and sharp horn. Lizard can change its color. Bee has sting, etc. Defense weapon of bee. Children, honeybees are armed with chemical sting as defense tool. Bee contains acid in their sting. When a person is stung by honeybee, honeybee injects acid and pushes and leaves its sting in skin. Because of acid present in sting, victim feels pain near the stung area. Area of stung gets swollen after some time. Next, defense weapon of ant. Ant has bite as their defense tool. Ant bite also contains methanoic acid similar to honeybee. Thus, by rubbing of mild base near the ant bite gives relief to the victim. Similarly, some plants are armed with sting as defense tool such as nettle. Plants of nettle has sting. A person who touches the nettle leaves gets stung similarly to honeybee. Nettle leaves also contains methanoic acid which resulting in pain and irritation near the stung area. In such case also, rubbing of mild base such as slaked lime, baking powder, etc. gives relief to the victim from pain. Okay children, these all are the some of the examples where we observe the pH in our daily life. Children, I hope you understood the importance of pH in everyday life. And in my next video, I'll come up with a concept of salts. And don't miss my videos and keep watching like this only. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.